A more social reality, according to Bernier in 17th century India. Bernier describes occasionally hints at a more complex social reality. Artisan class had no incentive to improve the quality of their manufactures. So artisanal class could not improve their quality of the products. All profits were appropriated by the state. Manufactures were everywhere declining. At the same time, he agreed that vast quantities of the world's precious metals flowed into India. As manufactures were exported in exchange for gold and silver. He also mentioned that there existed a prosperous merchant community engaging in a long distance trade. So there was the existence of a merchant community. Mughal cities. During 17th century, about 15% of the population lived in towns. So 15% population lived in towns. Bernier described Mughal cities as the camp towns, which were dependent upon imperial patronage. So towns were dependent on imperial patronage. There were all kinds of the towns: manufacturing towns, trading towns, port towns, sacred centers, pilgrimage towns, etc. So there were the different types of the towns. The existence of towns indicate the prosperity of the merchant communities and professional classes. So due to existence of towns, merchant community and professional communities were very rich. They were prosperous. Merchants had a strong community or kin ties and were organized into their own castes, occupational groups. Merchants were organized. In Western India, these groups were called Mahajan and their chief was Seths. We can see in urban centers such as Ahmedabad, the chief of the merchant community, who was called Nagar Seth collectively. So head of the merchant community in Ahmedabad was called Nagar Seth, collectively represented the Mahajanas. So these merchant communities were well organized according to their own caste occupational groups. Urban professional classes. Urban groups include professional groups such as physicians, Hakim or Vaid. This is Hakim. So Hakim or Vaid, these were the physicians of that time. Teachers, Pandits and Mullah, Maulvi, layers, Vakil, painters, architects, so architecturals, musicians, calligraphers, etc. Musicians, calligraphers, etc. were the urban professionals. While some depended on imperial patronage, many made their living by serving other patrons, while still others served ordinary people in crowded markets and bazaars. So some were dependent on the imperial patronage, some were dependent on other patrons like the merchants and moneylenders, businessmen, and some served ordinary people in crowded markets and bazaars. So this is the situation of India in cities. So students, in next video we will see about the women, slaves, sati and laborers. So here we have discussed about the more complex social reality, including Mughal cities. Those were the camp towns, and organized community Nagar Seth Mahajanaj and the professional class of the cities, physicians, teachers, layers, painters, architects, musicians and calligraphies. They were patronized by the imperial houseage, patronized by other groups, and some were serving into crowded markets and bazaars. So thank you.